Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, September 8th. We are looking at market profiles, window traders market profile of SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. And we have some really wide POCs this morning in all three of these indices. We started off with some downward pressure. And it looks like the buyers might be asked to defend last week's low once again. Our pre-market low has traded towards the lower end of the upper distribution from the 27th. Remember, we had a double distribution day. Those single prints are still in force. We'll see if we go and get the overnight low, what happens at that level. But first things first, sellers need to take out not only yesterday's low, but last week's low in that small little gap. If they're able to do that, you would put the weekly into balance and actually might put the daily into down. Right now it's still in balance. Light volume again so far this morning. Again, very wide POCs, tremendous chop inside balance, inside value. Right now the only destinations I'll give you are the overnights. You should have everything else from yesterday. Right now 451.78, although it looks like we might have gone just a little higher. Let me just check that real quick right now. 451.80 is our overnight high, and 449.37 is our overnight low. Game plan early, again, in balance, in value. This is very poor risk reward. You have a very wide POC overnight, so if we get away from it, I think there's good odds of getting back to it prior to either taking out yesterday's high or low. Again, any look below yesterday's low and the weekly low should fall and come into balance. That would be a trade to keep an eye on. Again, sellers have been constantly rejected when they've taken out prior lows, so you'd have to keep an eye on that. But any acceleration, and I would be jumping on a put play to at least go test the bottom of that upper distribution from the 27th and those single prints. But as of right now, either now or 9:30, if we're to open right in this range, is nothing. We're right near that wide POC, in balance, in value. Any push up, you can see if they front run the overnight high, and then you could certainly see at I's high from yesterday, which is the afternoon rally high. If they can't get above that, you could take a put play. Russell towards the bottom of their range. Remember, 227.35 was last month's high. They would certainly like to stay above that. They're a little bit over $1 below it for now. We'll see if they come out of yesterday's range to the downside on the daily. And triple Qs, another very wide POC, as you can see here, trading smack in the middle of yesterday. Again, early plays, not many at this point. We still have 75 minutes to go prior to the opening. Come join us at CamelbackTrading.org's voice channel room, and you get up-to-the-date trade ideas as the market evolves. And then on the charts, here we go. Here's the monthly. The weekly. The monthly's healthy. Weekly, 450.71 is last week's low. We traded 450.74 yesterday. So the key, if you're a bear, is to take out last week's low to come into a 3-week balance. That would certainly be the goal for sellers. Buyers want to defend that. And on the daily, I'm calling it balance right now. It's a 6-day balance. But if we take out yesterday's low and take out the weekly low, we could be coming out of a 6-day balance to the downside. That would be very interesting to see if we're able to do that and then eventually test the 20-day moving average. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.